If you're looking for new construction in Charlotte, North Carolina, under $1 million, Lakeside Pointe might be one of the best communities available. Hello, I'm August Mayer, your go-to Charlotte, North Carolina area realtor. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living in our Charlotte, North Carolina area and the surrounding suburbs, then subscribe below so you can be the first to know about the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is August Mayer. I moved to Charlotte, North Carolina in 2015 from New York City, and I love helping people make their move to the Charlotte, North Carolina area. And whether that is 9 days or 90 days away, please feel free to reach out. You can scan this QR code or go to the description to receive our contact information. Today, we are touring the Overlook floor plan. The Overlook features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a loft, and an office with 2,652 square feet. It's priced in the high 800s. Some of the Overlook's key features are the 43-inch electric fireplace, hardwood on the first floor and the second floor. So they have an open concept, entertaining, clean, luxury finishes, Quartz countertops, designer cabinetry, and an entertaining island. So I want you to make sure you stay to the end so you can see the amenities. You will be pleasantly surprised. To get exclusive access to new construction communities, scan this QR code or go to augustmayer.com/new homes and be the first to know about new construction communities. So Lake Pointe is offering waterfront lots and townhomes will be available in this community. It's 30 minutes from Charlotte. You will have green space, a community gathering area, outdoor lifestyle, designed for connection and walkability. It has a low maintenance living concept and a proposed retail area. So if you're considering Lakeside Pointe or any new construction in Charlotte, call or text me at 704-231-6024, or you can use the link in the description to schedule your private consultation. So let me know what you think of this home in the comments, and I look forward to seeing y'all on the next video.